Okay, this has got to be the most ADHD project that I've done yet. As soon as my roommate was about to throw these out when he moved out, I was like, oh, I totally need these for something that I've been wanting to do, which is a lot. In this first step here, as you'll see, I'm angle grinding these cinder blocks. So I'm rounding out the edges with a masonry cutting disc, and this will make a lot of smooth features on these cinder blocks. So I did that to about 9 cinder blocks, and then once I was done with that, my roommates always mess around with me regarding this, but I was caulking bricks. I took silicone caulking that's usually used for walls and painting, and I filled in all the little pits and gaps in the concrete blocks so like that I could then spray paint it later. And I'm so psyched about this editing that I did here. I love the quad split screen. So I just spread the silicone caulking with a spatula, which means on the inside edges there was a bit of overhang. So I just went back with a knife, an X-Acto knife, and I cut off all that excess to kind of leave as best of a 90-degree angle as I could. And then on to spray painting. I just got basic spray paint from Home Depot, and I got some earth tones. So I got like a cream, I got like a dark brown, and then I think I just got like a white or like an eggshell. And that's kind of like the colorway that I wanted to go with, something earthy and relaxed. So all I had to be attentive to here is to make sure I didn't spray my neighbor's porch, and also I didn't spray the inside of the cinder blocks. So I just taped out the inside and removed it afterwards. Very satisfying. Alright, this is where things get weird. Yeah, we put some leopard skin on a cinder block, and this was the most sensory strange thing ever because I put the silicone caulking on there and then I put the fabric and I would squeeze it in. It was way too close to flesh, so I'm so disturbed by that. Kind of reminded me of this. And I really wanted a furry block, nothing to do with any fetish, I swear, but it was just like really cool. This was really hard to fold over the curves, so I used fabric adhesive, which works so good. Thanks so much for watching the video. This was such an interesting project, more of the repurposing, but also turned out to be a really cool sculpture. I didn't have a video of me putting it together, and I have since moved, so don't have that same layout. Wondering what you guys think about this random project. I really love it. I think it looks great and allows me to put a bunch of trinkets in there.